Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be reviewing this waffle bubble maker made by Dyna Living. And yes, we're going to be showing you the ins and outs of this thing, the pros and cons, what I like and what I don't like. And I want to make sure that you guys make an informed decision before purchasing one of these. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be using the Easy Pancake Mix, and it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So for every 1 scoop of pancake batter, you're going to be putting 2 scoops of water. Pretty simple. Get your whisk and whisk this bad boy up and get it to a consistency that is not too runny. So I'm actually going to make 3 sets of waffles here. And the first one is going to be a big mistake that you should not do. And the very last one is the proper way of doing it. So I wanted to show you guys through my trial and error what you should do and what you shouldn't do when using this machine. Now, another thing to notate, this machine is very hot. You want to keep it away from kids. It has the long handles. They can help you guys, but you got to be very cautious. What I did like is it has the switch here, the timer. It gets really hot, but it has the control settings, which is nice. It's a non-stick surface, and it's 1400 watts, so it's pretty powerful, you guys. And it rotates also, so like after you put the pancake batter, it can rotate. So I put a little bit of butter because I like the flavor of the butter, not so much because it's not going to stick. So this batter, as you can tell, I put it in a piping bag, and it's pretty watery. Yeah, it's runny. So we're going to be making a huge mess here, and this is not the way you want to make them. So nonetheless, what I did is I ended up just trimming around it, and it still came out good. So you can fix your mistakes with this one, but I don't recommend making the batter too runny. So here it is. I'm going to give it a shot. Like I said, it rips apart. It's still soft, still delicious waffle right here. So I'm loving it. So the second one, this one's going to be a little bit better. We made the pancake batter all over again. We made it a little bit thicker, and we're going to go ahead and drop it down, and we're going to be putting a lot less. I went ahead and cleaned up my tray. But yeah, this thing is it's an ideal machine for your house, or even if you have a commercial business, if you're running a kitchen, it would be pretty practical to have, and very cool. The kids absolutely love this waffle, like little egg bubble waffle machine. They thought it was the coolest thing. And look, it crisps up. It has a nice texture to it. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks and sounds. All right, guys, we're going to try this waffle out here. Look how crunchy it is. All right, now, and for the final waffle, we're going to be putting a little bit of butter again. Actually, let's put a lot of butter. Who am I kidding? So this is the way you want to do it. You want to spread it around the edges and then work back in. So as you can tell, I don't make cakes, or else I would have figured this out on the first one. So like I said, this is a good video for you guys to watch. Look, it'll be done in about 2 minutes. You just set it to about like 280 to 300. Put some syrup on this thing. Now my daughter's going to try it.
I'm going to try the waffle. Are you going to make it? That's so good.
As you can see, the kids loved it, so I'm actually liking this machine too. The only thing I would say is to be safe when you're using this. It's very hot, and the tongs are a bit sharp. Be very careful when using it with kids. That's my only ding on this product, but overall, it's an absolute great machine, and pretty much you just got to be careful. Hopefully this review helps.